back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and you could probably tell by the title of the video you already know what it's going to be about. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup and how I get ready. So I'm not really going to talk too much. I'm just going to jump right into the video. First thing I'm going to start with is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Next, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter 430. Then I'm gonna use my SEPHORA 370 brush. So I'm just gonna blend. And now I look like this is my skin. I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills to clean up my brow. I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm a huge fan of Fenty, the shade 410. And I get very generous with the concealer to cover up those designer bags. When I'm really trying to like pop out, I'll contour my nose. So let me just do a little bit, and then I do a little triangle right there, and just a little bit right there. Before I blend out my concealer, my eyebrow gel has probably dried. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip pomade in the color Ebony, along with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush 7B. Both of these I got from Sephora. Just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. And how I do my eyebrows is like I measure right here, and I just leave like a little slight mark right here. Slight mark. Excuse me, I clearly have the sniffles. I start off with the front. I like my makeup very subtle. First, what I do is I like to fill it in and then go back and brush it out and even it out, and wherever needs more coverage, then I'll just add it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my angle blender. This is by CHIQUE Pro, and I'm just gonna blend out. When I blend my concealer, I don't like to drag it. I try to press it in as much as possible. I used to use beauty blenders, but I'm not really a fan of beauty blenders. I just feel like there's nothing really like a brush. So see how naturally it just kind of blends? I didn't even drag it. I just tap, 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 press it in. Same thing here. I do not like to drag it. I just blend it out, up and down, up and down, up and down. The last part that I do is the nose, because that's the most precise, and I think that takes the most precision. And I hit right here. I use the angled part of the brush to blend out, and I try not to drag it. I just try to blend it out in the area that I put the concealer. Okay, and then I drag the nose concealer. And just like that. I try not to do too much with this part. The less you do with this, the more precise and clean it's gonna be. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of Fenty. I use the contour stick in Espresso. So just subtle right there. Right there. Just like that. I don't need to contour my forehead. My forehead is already huge enough. Just a little bit goes a long way for me. I just like the warm look that it gives. I just go upward and I blend like that. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite parts, the contour. Okay. I just like the warm look that this gives me. So I realized that my camera wasn't recording all this time. Wow. Anyways, so I just use this to set my concealer. Okay, I'm sorry y'all. Now I'm gonna go in with Morphe's banana powder right at the bottom of my eyes. Boom, that's it. I'm just gonna go right under my contour to sharpen my contour, and just like that. Blend it out just like that. Yeah. Who am I? Who do I think I am? I'm gonna go in to make myself a little bit more chocolatey with another Fenty product in Mocha Mami. The slightest amount, like literally the slightest amount, right under the contour. Blend. And I just look so warm. I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush. It's called Love Thing. I love this blush so much. Like, it warms me up. Like, it makes me feel like, oh. I just love this. Actually, there's another one here. Should I use a Lovejoy? No, I think I'm gonna go with Love Thing. Yeah, because this one has more like a deeper plum undertone, and that's kind of what I'm going for. It has a very like light pink undertone, plumish. I don't know, but it looks so good when I put it on. To all my chocolate girls, this will look so bomb on you. And then this is how I put my blush on. I smile and then I just put it on the apples of my cheeks. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I love blush. I used to not like blush like at all, but I was younger and I didn't know no better, so I put a little bit on my nose. How cute is that? I could use some more. I could use some more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. That's it, like, that's it. Now I'm gonna set all of this with the OG original Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, I'm gonna let that set. Then I gotta do my lashes. So this is the Lash Princess from Essence in False Lash Effect Mascara. I got this from Ulta. Just gonna do a light coat because I'm gonna put on lashes. Girl, I don't even need no lashes. These are the lashes I'm using from Kiss. I got these from CVS today. And I like how they're not so like extra. My lash but better. I got these from Kiss. Kiss has pretty good lashes. So I think I broke them. I definitely just like ripped off a piece of the lash. Girl, are these individual lashes? Ain't no way. It just came off. This has never happened to me before. Well, I guess I won't be wearing lashes today. Okay, I feel like that makes a difference. I got this from Ulta as well. This is really good. I like this. It's pretty precise. And this is in the color black. I dragged the sides and then I also dragged the inner corners to give like a little cat eye look. To top it off, I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Lava Cake. I love this lip gloss. It's so bomb. I actually need to get more. It's actually running out, so I'm just gonna line the outer corners of my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline in the color Stone. This is really pretty, but I haven't been wearing it that much. I just need like a better lip liner, and I'm just gonna line the inside. So I'm just gonna use my bed head curling wand to put a little bit of like wave in my hair, just like a subtle look. This heats up so fast. I got this from Ulta. I love this wand. Okay, and then I don't like brush it, I just kind of like break the curls. I just have a little bit of gel that I'm gonna put on top, and that's it. Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy bodybuilding dry shampoo to spray on my hair, just to get, just so it could smell good, like you just washed your hair, so it doesn't smell like, you know, smoke. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to go and like, comment, and subscribe.